Rajendra Pratag Gupta, and I apologize if I've mispronounced your name, but from the Disease Management Association of India.
This is Rajendra, and I'm honored to be here. I must share with you, I had an opportunity to write a comprehensive health reforms agenda document in India, which was accepted by Planning Commission and also is implemented by one of the state governments in India. So I appreciate your text of this session, which says going local, but I think is beyond that, is going micro. Because whenever you give micro inputs, I think one of the expectations from the UN Assembly would be to form micro groups to address chronic diseases. The second thing I would say is that we, for this generation, have already missed the bus, and let's accept it. We don't want our next generations 40 years from now sitting in this room and saying, we had an irresponsible generation that didn't take care of us. So two ways to split the current issues is, first is the urgent and the important. The urgent issue is to address the chronic diseases now. But the most important thing would be to address the future of our next generation, that's child health. So one of the key things I expect from the General Assembly coming up is a dedicated session for child health. Also, the technology is going down in every aspect of healthcare delivery. So I expect mobile health to be one of the key components of healthcare delivery in addressing the issues of chronic health. In the next 30 seconds, I would like to do a quick survey with the people sitting here. I call the healthcare ABCDE as A for arthritis, B for blood pressure, C for cancer, CVD, D for diabetes, E for elderly and epilepsy. So my question is, if you have anyone in your family, immediate family, suffering from any of these, raise your hands. Does anyone have arthritis in the family? Don't shy, raise hands. Does anyone have blood pressure in the family? Does anyone have cardiac or cancer in the family, cardiac diseases? Does anyone have diabetes? Does anyone have elderly or epileptic patient in the family? Because 84% of elderly people take one medication or the other. Thank you. I think I made a point. The chronic disease is not about 15% to 20%. I think it's about 100%. I mean, it depends on what kind of morbidity we are in and the kind of lifestyle we are living in. By the time we reach 40, we are either predisposed or having one of the chronic disease or the other. So it's time to get into action, get into micro action. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.